Wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. Natural disasters on a event channel, welcome. Netherlands ravaged by deadly windstorm. The Netherlands was struck by a devastating windstorm on Wednesday, leaving a trail of destruction and claiming at least one life. Dubbed Polly by Dutch meteorologists, this historic storm swept across the entire country, unleashing winds exceeding 64 miles per hour along the coast and reaching staggering gusts of up to 90 miles per hour. The tempest uprooted trees, caused road closures, and disrupted train schedules, inflicting significant travel disruptions.
Ja, zo kan het ook natuurlijk.
Dat is lullig.
Amsterdam's Schiphol Airport, a bustling European hub during the peak summer season, saw the cancellation or delay of several hundred flights.
Oh my god!
Remarkably, this summer windstorm set a new national record for its ferocity, eclipsing the typical winter storms that arise from the adjacent North Sea. Tragically, the violent gusts claimed the lives of at least 2 individuals, both victims of fallen trees. One fatality occurred within the Netherlands, while a woman lost her life in neighboring Germany, which also endured the wrath of this immense windstorm. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.